Let's get you the breakup of what this means. The COVID negative report, as I was mentioning, is an absolute must. Delhi, Maharashtra flyers, the COVID negative report is a must. As far as Rajasthan, Maharashtra flyers are concerned as well, the COVID negative report is a must as well. Gujarat, Maharashtra flyers too. You've got COVID negative report, the RT-PCR is a must. Goa, Maharashtra flyers as well, you must have a negative RT-PCR. So these are the sectors that we're just walking you through. If you're flying from any of these sectors into any of the airports in Maharashtra, you must get an RT-PCR negative report. A COVID antigen, rapid antigen test will not do. It has to be a proper RT-PCR test. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us live. Mustafa, if you could just give us the details of what if there is an emergency travel from any of these sectors into Maharashtra, say, for example, what do the norms really say as far as the passengers are concerned? Can they land in Mumbai or Pune or wherever in Maharashtra and then get their RT-PCR test done? In terms of emergency travel, one cannot wait for so long to get a result for RT-PCR. What happens then?
What we are being told is that there will be an antigen testing available, which the flyer have to bear the cost of it at the Mumbai airport or at the railway station in Mumbai, which they get off on. Because if some people who are coming in who don't have an RT-PCR test, still they are monitoring their symptom testing, their temperature testing, their antigen test will be done at the Mumbai. But yes, it remains a very practically taxing exercise to do this testing and checking the RT-PCR test for the thousands of travelers which are coming in. In airport, the norms will be strictly followed because the onus of these norms has been put on the airline. So they would be following, but in railway station we'll have to really see how these things go about, because they handle a lot of more passenger load each day. So once from tomorrow when it starts, we'll know how things are going on ground. But yes, whoever is traveling from these states to Mumbai, it would be safer for them to carry an RT-PCR test report. Back to you.
All right, let's see what kind of implementation, as you rightly mentioned, is going to happen as far as this norm is concerned, because as far as the railways are there, you've got many more passengers coming in compared to the air traveling passengers as well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.